Hello everyone, my name is Sam with HID Light Reviews. Today we will be installing the Auxito LED set of lights on my 2008 Honda CRV. So I will be showing you how to install them, as well as some of the benefits with going with LED, and also we will be testing them on my car. Let's get started. The annoying thing with working with the driver's side is there's barely any space over here. They give you, if you can see right here, they give you just this tiny amount of space, which is very, very annoying. So to start off, we have to remove our old light bulb. So the plug is just right here. Okay, you hear a pop, and this is our plug. So the plug is now out. We just set that aside a little bit. And then there's the sealant, which protects the light bulb inside from the moisture. So pull on the tabs, comes out really not too much issue. So that's out. I always like to set things just aside so you have as much room here as possible to work with. All right, so you see that is the plug for the old light. This is our new light that will be going in here. So there's a clip. It's on this side right here. You push it in and then it pops out just like that. So there's the clip right there. Once that is off, pull your old light bulb right out. So this is our old light bulb. This is a halogen light. You can see it, fairly standard on most cars. So we pull it out like this with these two prongs facing down and then the third one facing up. You have to remember that because when you put this new light in, you have to keep these two prongs facing down, this one up. Now what I've discovered is you can just twist this, pull it off, and that's helpful for two reasons. One, you just have to put this on the inside here, and then you essentially are just gonna push this in. It's gonna go right into place the way it needs to, like that, and you just lock it, and it's in. The other reason that's helpful is because you obviously want your moisture protector in there. So once this ring is inside there, essentially what we're doing, we put this ring inside, we use the clip I showed you, you clip that on, and then you put this on essentially like that, twist it, lock it, and it's all inside there. Now I am back a few days later. Unfortunately, when I went through and tried to explain how I did this side, nothing was making any sense. So I will show you a little bit how I did it on this side, and hopefully it'll make a little bit more sense for this side. So the main issue is on this side. How I got it in is I had to fold the moisture protector. I put it on with the light unit, and then I basically put it down in here and weaved it through in here, where I was able to then connect and lock everything up on this side and get it installed properly. So on this side, essentially you're doing the same thing, although you actually have room so I can show you. So you have your moisture protector, you have the light unit, which connects to the ring that goes on the inside. The ring has the metal piece that comes down, going from this side to this side to hold it in place, and then the light goes on here, you connect it, and really that's all that there is to it. You are doing essentially the same thing on the other side. However, since there is less room, it's a lot easier to show you on this side. So now we're going to get into the part of the video where I'm showing you the comparison between LED and halogen. So I'm back a few days later now after my lights have been installed and I've actually had the chance to drive with them for a few days, to give you my honest recommendation and feedback as to whether or not you should go with the Auxito LED lights. So first off, why would you go from halogen to LED? Has a lot to do with white balance. A normal halogen light, this is an LED light, but it adjusts what's called the white balance. So a halogen light looks something more like this, which is a little bit more orange, set to a more orange-white balance. LEDs, however, are a lot more blue in color. With the blue light, it does a way better job with showing things at night, making it a lot clearer for you to see. Should you go from halogen to the Auxito LED headlights? Let's answer that. So the halogen lights that were in my CRV previously, I want to say it was about $20 per bulb, bringing the total somewhere around $40 or so. It's been a while since I've bought that, so I can't say for sure, but somewhere in that range. The Auxito headlights, I believe, are about $60, and that comes with a set of 2. So we're looking at about a $20 difference. However, as far as actual quality, I felt like with the halogen lights that I had previously, I would be driving around at night and I could barely see. I could sometimes even barely tell that they were on. Whereas with the LED, there has never been a single question as to whether or not they were on or off, because when they are on, you know that they are on, but they do not blind other drivers. The only 2 downsides with these specific lights are they're about $20 more than if you went with standard halogens, as well as the installation on the driver's side is a little bit of a pain, but hopefully my tutorial is a little bit helpful, probably why you're actually watching this. I believe upgrading from halogen to LED is a very smart move, and I do recommend the Auxito LED headlights.